Hi, Jeff Buchanan with Wood Chipper Safety Shield. I get a lot of questions. Will this safety device work to stop metal? If not, why? Can you make it stop metal? The safety shield is designed to stop operators, the users of the machines, from being drawn in. They get hooked on a branch and get drawn into the machine. You may have seen videos where I demonstrate various tree equipment being stopped. By doing that, what I'm doing is I'm putting on one of our bracelets or anklets, brute lace magnets on the device or on the tool, stop it from going in. It will stop metal to a certain degree, but not 100%. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration to show you. Got a lot of stuff here. I'll call it out as I'm throwing it in, but just a pair of typical pliers stops it. Piece of metal. Another pair of pliers. Obviously this stuff wouldn't be typical. You can see they didn't stop it 100%, but if we get it in the right area, it stops. Depending on how ferrous the metal is, another wrench. Another pair of pliers. Doesn't stop it right away, but it does stop. So if something's tangled up in the brush and it's shaking and moving as it's going through the machine, there's a likelihood that it could stop it. But again, I can't guarantee anything. I mean, a pair of scissors, screwdriver. We even got some nails here. Let's see if those. So the thing of nails doesn't really want to stop, doesn't have enough ferrous material unless it actually hits the plate. But to some degree, yes, it will stop, but it's not designed to do so. A big old chunk of steel, looks like a spring plate mounting or something, flat bar. There's stump grinder tooth. That one didn't work. Screwdriver. Another screwdriver. Climbing belt. So as you can see, it will stop some metal. There's no guarantees on metal. This system is designed to prevent operators from being drawn into the machine. I don't want to present to you that this is a metal detector in any way, shape, or form, but to some degree, it will stop metal. That time it worked. So hopefully that clarifies some of the questions on the device. The device works off of changing magnetic field. It's looking for a change or a disturbance in the magnetic field. So this ferrous metal will distort the magnetic field, which trips the device. Please chip safely. Thanks for watching.